Hi mga bebe ko, story time. Almost 2 years dito sa new place namin and first time ko mag-host ng barbecue party. Actually, unplanned siya. Bigla ko lang sinabihan yung mga friends ko na if ever, free sila ng Saturday night. Punta sila sa bahay. Walang ganap. Sabi ko lang post-Valentine's para lang maipush ang matagal na naming plan. Pero hindi matuloy-tuloy. So ayun, hindi ako nag-expect who can make it or not. Basta nakapag-invite kasi alam ko din naman how busy the others are. And weekend is rest day and family day for them. I was not much prepared. Last minute ako namili at naglinis ng bahay. Good thing I was able to get a friend who can give me a hand. Tas sumama din yung mama niya to help. Kasi mga bebe ko, hosting alone can be exhausting and overwhelming. Ano pa kaya yung ikaw yung gagawa lahat, diba? Pero God will provide din talaga pag kailangan. Hindi rin ako na pressure because I know my circle of friends know me for being easygoing and bahala na basta may ganap kind of person. My husband agreed to it pero that day not feeling well siya, but then he managed to mingle and entertain my friends din naman. My kids too are very happy to have their friends around. They have a party of their own inside. Dancing, singing, playing, anything kasi nilook forward din nila yung ganitong bonding while the adults are outside enjoying na parang nakawala sa hawla. Ibon pala yarn. Kidding aside, ang saya ko lang mga bebe ko. Ang dami kong mga close friends na umalis na for good sa ibang country at nasasad ako isipin but then totoo pala yung kasabihan na people come and go. Kung may umalis, may mga bago din na darating na hindi mo mamamalaya na magiging automatic part sila ng buhay mo. Someone told me as a joke, ginawa ko na lang daw tong ganap for the vlog, for the content. Yes, pwede din mga bebe ko, pero the effort I put is exceptional to the point na hindi ko na iniisip na yun yung intention. The fact na I was able to gather my friends ng biglaan at pumunta din naman sila without second thought is a big thing for me. Some of them doesn't know each other din and pinakilala ko sila isa-isa on the spot. Yun, nakakatuwa. Doon ko na-realize how I am God's tool of, connecting people, creating memories, and building friendship, ganyan. At the same time, diba? Sana all. I'm kind of emotional editing dito sa mga bebe ko kasi ang iba kilala ko bilang walang work, walang ganap, housewife lang, maliit ang tingin sa akin kasi wala naman akong natapos at napatunayan. Pero you know what? My personality brings me to where I am siguro. Charot, ang seryoso. I appreciate all those who made it kahit sa biglaan kong eme-emeng ganap. And to those who didn't, marami pang next time mga bebe ko. Huwag kayong mag-alala. My house and family is always open to welcome you all. Ano da? Basta, magsabi lang kayo, charot. Grabe yung kain, yung chismisan, yung sayawan at banding. Wala akong masabi. I just do hope na masaya ang lahat. Thanks for being a part of this day. Alam nyo na kung sino-sino kayo sa uulitin. Ayan, ang haba na nitong chika ko. Again, salamat sa panonood at walang sawang suporta sa contents ko mga bebe ko. See you on my next one. Bye-bye. Love you so, so, so much. Mwah.